Hi, good afternoon. James Braithwaite here again. I'm just at my folks' place right now, and I'll show you what I've been doing. Some people like life on the edge, so to that end, I've been doing the lawn edges for my mother with the half moon over there, so we can get a few more plants in and get rid of the dreadful overgrowth. It's all down there, and for a bonus look at these hellebores and fritillaries. Beautiful, aren't they? You can hear the bees there. All shot there. The camellia's doing really well, as is George's old sambucus. That's the stump of my old cherry tree. Interesting fungus growing on it. And as we all know, everyone prefers a clean path. They don't want growth all over the clearly defined way. So again, to that end, I've been half mooning around the patio slabs, and we've got a neat path all running up to what my mother has beautifully been doing, sorting out all this area. That's where our former vegetable patch is, and we've got a beautiful pond, as you can see, and lots of pretty plants. We've got tadpoles in there. It's all life in the fast lane, nature-wise. And a pear tree that I put in back in 2007. A couple of apple trees over there. And there we have it. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.